Third gear pull with the window down, you say? Ah, the grip is immense. The brakes are brilliant. If you've seen my video, oh God. Hello, ladies and gents. We have the new super wide view. We're gonna go for a drive down one of my favorite roads. For once, I will actually talk because it looks like you guys don't really enjoy it when I'm just silent and driving quickly. We have an upgrade to the visual quality. We have an upgrade to the audio quality. I'm a happy boy. It's going to be a good video. I'm on one of my favorite bits of road. It's a crispy morning here I think I'm in Essex. It's 8 degrees out. The roads are still a bit greasy. The car's lovely and warm. Oh, it's been a long time since I've done that. It's been like 2 weeks. If you're new to the channel, my name's Mick. I drive cars. I giggle a lot. Yes. I giggle a lot when I'm enjoying myself, so you gotta bear with me if you're new to the channel. It's kind of how I do things. That's all okay. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. One day we're gonna hit 1,000 subs and I'm gonna be able to monetize this channel. Maybe one day I will never have to work a real job. That would be the fucking dream, wouldn't it? I just do this all day. Should we have a bit more? Ah, yes. Do you know what? It always surprises me. I drive this car every day and I've always got it in regular mode. We're just flying through normally. It's in auto. You know, I never really experienced the car as it's supposed to be experienced. So when I'm out here and I've got it in race mode and it sounds like this. Oh, it does put a smile on my face. Big happy. Oh, the grip is immense. The brakes are brilliant. If you've seen my video, oh God. Okay, let's take a sec. Oh, no loss in momentum there, mate. Oh, I'm having fun. Oh, yes, this is what I missed. This is why I bought this car. Goodbye, cyclist. Ah, yeah, boy. We're gonna chop this Duke in a sec. So yeah, if you want to see more about this car, I do have a full review on the channel. It's my biggest video. It's got loads of views. I thought it was pretty good. It is a bit slow, but you can learn a lot from that video. How's everyone enjoying the channel? If you're one of the guys that always leaves comments, I bloody love you, because it makes me feel like there's real humans on the other side of this camera. I know that there is. I think I'm just having fun on the right road, you know? Oh, that second to third pull. I gotta remember where those big puddles were. I think I'm always safe. I don't super speed, I don't, you know? But enough about that noise. Let's just have some fun. Woo! I think the puddle was around here. Yeah, that's the puddle. No problemo. Sendings. I always love anchoring into this corner. Oh, God, that does always feel so good. Oh, yeah. I was a little bit worried today because I got out a bit later than I usually do. Like, it's almost 10 o'clock. So I thought this road would be quite busy. And while it is, I seem to have lucked out and gotten the empty bits myself. Dodge these potholes, these are new. Ah, yes. These two are some of my favorite corners. A little switchback. Let's go. Left. Downshift. Right. Oh, it's holding on for dear life. Right, let's try and not kill ourselves with this one this time. Right, Mr. Van, are you going to be able to stop? Yes, you are. Good job, mate. That's the puddle we went through earlier. No more hazards to die from now. People look at you weird when you've got a camera on your head, I've noticed. Oh, God, this feels so good. Oh, yeah, like I say, I drive this car in regular mode all the time. It's so nice when it's in race. Ah. So enjoyable. Just having fun tearing down a country lane. Best feeling. Absolutely the best feeling. Oh, fucking Christ. It's all good, guys. I've got big brakes. Woo! I've got the biggest brakes. So much fun. Let's take a breath. What do you guys think of the new angle of view? I think it's so cool because you can see my hand like over here somewhere and all the way over there. It's so wide and it just looks so good. I think with the wider field of view, you actually get a better sense of speed. One of the things that annoyed me about all my previous videos is that even when I'm driving quickly, like in the M140i, I was going pretty bloody quickly. But on the video, it doesn't look like I am. It looks kind of pedestrian. It doesn't look as exciting as it feels in real life. So I've been messing around. I know, car, relax. I've been messing around with trying to get a better field of view to better demonstrate how quickly it is I'm going. I think this does that. It feels a lot faster. Let's have a little razz. Also the audio, let me know. I went to the effort to buy like an audio recorder, a mic. I'm looking professional as hell right now. Let me know how it sounds. Do you guys notice a difference? That would be great to know. Third gear pull with the window down, you say? Don't mind if I do. This bit of lane is a bit more flowing. It's all 60. You can see this art. One thing I love about this car is the way the suspension just works. It works so good. Like, yeah, you can feel the undulations in the road, but it just glides. It takes the edge out of it, but it still lets you know what's going on underneath. That is a lovely bike. Ah, it's a good day today. I can't wait for the summer though, when it's gonna be like, you can go out at 8, 9 p.m, get the sunset drive going. Ah, it's gonna be so good. Yeah. Roads won't be greasy like they are now. It's gonna be good times, guys. The good times are coming. They're not far away now. They're not far away. Also, if you guys have any video ideas that you're really interested in me doing, maybe there's something specific about this car that you want to know about, or maybe it's a style of video. Maybe you want me to go somewhere. Shall I do like a travel? I don't know if it's a vlog, but like, shall I go to some epic roads? Because I mean, not far from London, we have some pretty epic areas, like the Brecon Beacons in Wales, only about 3 hours away. Would you guys be interested in seeing me take a road trip? attacking some roads out there, let me know. Might be interesting, might be fun. I think, honestly, that's probably as much fun as we're going to have on this road. So thank you all for watching, as always. As always, if you're a real human on the other side of the camera, leave me a comment. I reply to every single one. I love having chats with you guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We've got a target of hitting 1,000 subs this year. Well, we've done 120 in about a month, so I really do think it's possible. Let your friends know about the channel if you enjoy it. There's also a guy, honestly, I forget the name, but this man commented on my mini video that I made maybe like half a year ago now, and he is the reason I came back and started doing YouTube videos, because he commented, Mick, when are you coming back? That type of stuff is what, it's a lot of effort to make these videos, guys. I'll be honest. Like, look at the fucking gear I've got. Like, look at me, right? This, like, it's effort to make these videos. But when people leave comments like that and people interact with you, it is so worth it. So thank you all. And yeah, see you in the next one.